The life of a truck driver. I'm telling you guys right now, all these truck drivers are already looking for truck parking. It's only 3:30 in the evening and they're already looking. Why? Because by 4 o'clock there will be no truck parking. And I'm telling you, truck drivers are forced to park on on-ramps, off-ramps, and it's so dangerous, and truck drivers are getting robbed, and it's just crazy. I can't believe it, but it sounds like the House committee finally approved something that makes sense. Number one problem truck drivers have is parking. There is no truck parking anywhere around America after about 4 p.m. I mean, truck parking is a serious matter, and the biggest thing is truck drivers are having to try to find parking way early and not being able to keep on driving to get to where they need to get to. The second part to that is definitely they're parking on the side of the roads, they're parking on on-ramps, off-ramps, and it's extremely dangerous for us truck drivers out there. So I cannot believe it when I say the House Committee on Transportation and Infrastructure just approved an amended version of HR 2187, also known as the Truck Parking Safety Improvement Act. So basically what they're saying is the House has approved a bill for more parking. Actually, $755 million worth of grant to use. Now, the amended part is they will not use any of this money for charging stations because they believe that this should be actually used for more truck parking. Mother truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? But is this decent news or what? I mean, is someone trying to win votes? Because all I gotta say is this actually sounds like something logical. Mother truckers, comment down below.